Hi, welcome to the vlog. We're in Cancun, Mexico. We're gonna be in Mexico for like 5 or 6 days. We're staying at the Marriott Cancun Resort for 3 nights, and then we're gonna go to Tulum and stay somewhere for 2 nights. And this is my girlfriend. She's been in lots of vlogs, and this is our first vacation together, and I'm so happy and so excited. It's my first time in Mexico. She's been here before, but it's my first time in Mexico. It's just so cool so far, and I think it's my first time staying at an actual official resort. So you walk in, and this is what you see. We basically got like a king bed room with an ocean view. So you walk in, and there is a closet where we can hang up our clothes. This mirror, which I'm not gonna film myself right now. I need to take a shower so bad. Mini bar setup. This is the bathroom. It's so nice. How exciting. Giant mirror. And oh my gosh, the shower looks so nice. Then come into the main area. We got a couch, another mirror, this little table set up with coffee, tea, and stuff like that. TV, bed that looks very comfortable. And my favorite part is the balcony and the balcony view. You guys, this is absolutely insane. This is another resort right next to ours. Ours has a pool too, you just can't see it from here. Look at the color of the water. And yeah, that's our room, guys. We love it so much. Anyway, we've been traveling for like 11 hours from LA. And so I just took the most amazing shower of my life. And now I feel all fresh and clean. And we changed into our bikinis. And we're gonna go like out to the beach or the pool or something. And like, yeah get our vacation started. Get our vacation on.
Swim up bar.
Oh my gosh. There's a swim up bar. Thanks, babe. This is so breathtaking. So we just finished swimming up to the bar and we got drinks. This is my first swim up bar, guys.
For how many days is the stay?
3 nighs.
3 nights?
Yeah.
You know that?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Never tried it. Primero
But I
vez.
get one large glass for me.
Thank you.
Nada, es un placer.
Baby ordered room service on our first night.
And we got our Prosecco open for us. Never
Cheers.
had that happen. Cheers.
I put on this like all white tank and biker shorts deal with this hoodie. All of this stuff is stuff I bought for this trip.
Shall we?
Yeah.
First off,
Tortilla
got the
soup.
corn tortilla soup with mushroom.
Bread rolls. I'm so excited about that. We love bread.
We love bread. There's butter too.
We love bread and butter. Oh my gosh. Lobster and steak.
A little surf and turf coming at you. And this is actually the peppercorn sauce for the steak. Fusilli Alfredo pasta with shrimp, garlic bread,
Oh my god, it smells so good.
shredded Parmesan.
Dessert. Look at that.
Look at that tiny little, is that a tiny, what is that? Is that a tiny little apple? What is that?
I don't know.
The tenuta, Prosecco, extra dry.